Log out from it, sign out. And I am going to sign in this account. Sign in with my existing account. It's validating with my credentials. First step is to log in into a BTP Cockpit account. Second step is to subscribe the Business Application Studio. And third step is to develop your application in Business Application Studio. Okay, I had access from my account. Okay, I'm accepting all the keys and I'm going for my trial account. Going for trial account. Here you can see left side, account explorer, resource, boosters, system landscape, entitlement, security, usage. Okay. Here I have get the trial of US East. I need to click on the Amazon Web Service. Generally it's of two types, US East and US West. We need to select one of them as US East. And here you can see sub account trial overview. General is the overall description of our trial account, it is our ID, the subdomain ID, and we have using the region US East. It consists of two types, US West and US East. We are using US East. And Cloud Foundry environment, it consists of an endpoint where our developer application is deployed in this Cloud Foundry. Generally, the application can be deployed in two ways. One is connected to the ABAP system, and second one is the Cloud Foundry. Maximum we will deploy the applications in Cloud Foundry only. Whenever we deploy the application, the deployed application is going to show in the HTML5 application. If the application that is showed in HTML5 application here, only like this, I have deployed 4 applications, so that it is showing that your application has deployed successfully like this. If it is not shown, then your application cannot be deployed successfully. For this, first step, we need to develop our application UI5. We need a subscription. The subscription available in left side. Service in the instances and subscriptions. I had a subscription of SAP Business Application Studio. If you don't have a subscription, then you need to go to Service Marketplace. In the Service Marketplace, you need to search for SAP Business Application Studio. We get it, and you can directly. I had created. Here the button is create. When you click on the create, it will show create button. If it is created, the create button will be disabled, and it shows a button called go to application. Okay. Then complete subscription. After you complete your subscription, it is directly subscribed without any charge. Here the limit for the trial account is 30 days. I have using daily so that it give me up to 90 days. I have completed my 45 days of the trial account. So I have 43 days. And I go to the Business Application Studio. It will open into a new tab, which is my, here you can see it is my trial account ID. After that, US East 10 CF means Cloud Foundry, trial account, application studio I have opened, Cloud SAP, and initially the execution of the application starts from the HTML. So it is shown like that, HTML. It is also called as your dev space ID. In this ID only, you are going to create your dev space. Here, I have created, already I have created one dev space. Okay, I have created one dev space. Dev space is nothing but the storage of your all applications. Dev space is nothing but the storage of your all applications. and it can give the storage limit of 3.8 GB. Okay, it can give the limit of 3.8 GB, and I have already used 1.3 GB. Okay, you can create only 2 dev space in this overall application. Okay, if this dev space is not required for me, I can easily delete it, or else if I need it, and I can create second dev space, like showing that you have to create your dev space like this. Create dev space, give any name with whatever you want. I'm giving that dev space 2, dev 2, and I'm going to create SAP UI5 Fiori application. We can also create the SAP UI5 Fiori application using full stack cloud application also. But for now, I am creating SAP Fiori another application. Create dev space. Okay, here we need to run the dev space. Okay, okay, this is our new dev space, dev 2. It's already started. Whenever we get here running mode, then this black color dev 2 will be converted into a link format, which is in blue color, like link. When we click, it will be open into a new tab of the certain click dev space. Here it has just started and it will be converted into a run. Okay, what is let's coming to the running, we will discuss what we have done. Firstly, we need to place BTP Cockpit in your browser URL. After that, getting that, we need to sign up. If you already existing user, we need to log into your account. After logging into your account, we can need to make the subscription of the BAS Application Studio. After the subscription, we need to go into the application. It will open it in a new tab and getting of a dev space screen. In the dev space, we can get only 2 dev spaces. You can't create more than 2 here. Here you are allowed only to create total 2 dev spaces with only one running at a time. You can run only one. So that I have clicked 2 runs, but one is stopped because first is started dev 2. So that it gives you first priority to run. So that it has stopped. See here, stop dev space is in color of black, but in running dev space is the color of blue, which is look like as an where my cursor point also get like in hand. When I click it, is going to open. Okay. Here my SAP Business Application Studio is started. In this SAP Application Business Studio, we are going to develop our application. Thank you for this video. In the next video, we are going to start how to create a template for our UF application and how to run the application from the next video. Thank you for this video.